we died already.
Yo, today we're working on the Mark II. We're going to tackle the loom and relocate the battery in the boot.
First, we're going to take the ECU and fuse box off of this panel so we can grind this metal wall off. Then we can find a spot to put it in the car. A bit of spray paint to finish.
That is all.
It's all back together and ready to go back in the car. We're thinking to put it in the glove box. It was way too small, so we just bolted it to the passenger's footwell. I don't know about you, but this looks tough. So we're moving the battery to the boot. It's just in the way of where the intercooler piping needs to go. Should make it look cleaner as well. Clean up this mess and pull the seats out so we can tuck the terminals underneath the seats. Gotta make it look tough.
But I'm gonna take these covers off. And we're gonna have a look to see what these are. That leather's sick. What?
So along this rail is where it's going to be hidden and tucked. So carpet's all lifted and ready to be fed through.
How good does that look? We utilized the battery stay out of the front of the engine and bolted it to the spare wheel bolt hole. How's that for Kiwi engineering?
Alright, there you have it. Batteries mounted, wired. I'm running a 35mm battery cable. It's got an OPX 225 and a fuse, and then this line is to my ECM switchboard. And that's also got a fuse. Just talking to my homie down in Queenstown. He's building a 1JZ Hilux. This is his turbo. It's got a Synco manifold. Show us the car, brother. Show us the Hilux. He's got the mod, look. He's got the gearbox in and he's gonna drop in the motor today. Weld the engine mount. He's running a 1JZ non-VGTI. Sick, brother. We've just been having a little build off. Here's the man himself. Yeah. Sweet, brother. Have a good day, eh?
Yeah,
later. Alright, later. Alright, we're onto the fuel pump. We're gonna strip all the old gear off, clean it all up, solder thick gauge wires on all the terminals and put a nice Deutsch plug on there. To get it out, mission, to be honest. Up here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is cut this off here. Cut it up here, put a hose in there, get rid of this regulator. There we have it. The fuel pump is all rigged up and ready to go. So aftermarket pump soldered on to the terminals with thick gauge wire all the way through, then a Deutsch plug on the end. This is ready to go back in the car. And then we gotta put our plug on this end. Bam, and that's the fuel pump done. It's all done nicely now, modified, but my job is done here pretty much. Yeah, that we can holster that screw. Yeah, I got a bit of conjoint here, and the cables that run through on the side of the car, and that's job done. Seats can go back in, the pump's wired all up. Oosh. We got this cable to go to the front of the car. This is our fans, but yeah, that's all my relays. It's the little fuse box, the ECU, and this plug here. I need to get the ignition switch and the start button power hooked up to that.
Yo, this is my current situation, all set up as you may say. I'm 3 layered up, 2 jumpers, 1 leather jacket.
We've got the little gas burner going, Jay-Z in the background.
Yeah, last plug for the wiring loom. Yeah, boy!
Let's get it going, man. Gonna lower it down. Wait, does the car kind of...
Join us on the next one and see what happened. We put the engine in and we fired it over for the first time. God damn!